Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable haptic feedback in Woodoku game. Haptic feedback causes your device to vibrate slightly when you place blocks or perform actions in Woodoku. Turning it off can make gameplay quieter and smoother, so here's how it goes. Launch open the Woodoku application on your device and from the home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu. Toggle off the button right next to vibration in order to turn off haptic feedback in the game. Once you do this, disabling haptic feedback can save battery life on some devices. Now you can play without vibrations, making your experience quieter and more comfortable. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.